A quick tour of 7 brands at Gallery 105 Sindhu Bhavan Road, where you will find some beautiful kurta sets for this wedding season. If you need some chaniya cholis, we have got options in that. We have got dress materials, we have got bandhani dupattas, we have got blouses, and we have got saris as well. And we do have kaftan style, something in modal silk if you want. We have got jewelry, 9 to 5 silver jewelry, and kids collection as well. So do visit Gallery 105 Sindhu Bhavan Road today and tomorrow. So this is brand Bandhej Bagh, where you'll find some beautiful traditional colors of bandhani dupatta. We have got bandhani saris as well. These are some options in bandhani dupatta. We have got monochrome, we have got ombre, we have got some georgette dupatta in bandhani. Yes, and these are the options of saris in bandhani. Beautiful color options available. We have got Ghachola saris as well. Some georgette, some silk saris of bandhani.
बाय ब्रांड नेम इज तनुज क्रिएशन और मेरे पास सीमर में है। सीमर में हैंडवर्क में आएगा, नीचे सरारा दुपट्टा 3 पीस। ये भी सीमर में है, ये पैंट के साथ है। ये सरारा पीस है, ये भी सिल्क्स में टिश्यू में। और हमारे पास अभी ब्रॉकेट में जो भी है, ब्रॉकेट में 3 पीस में आएगा। इसके नीचे भी सरारा आएगा, इसमें कलर ऑप्शन आपको मिल जाएंगे। ब्रॉकेट में 2 पीस भी है और 3 पीस भी है। और ये 3 पीस में नीचे, जिसमें नीचे धोती आएगी और ये बस्टियर आएगा और ये कैप, और बंदेज में भी है। एंड हार्ट वर्क में 3 पीस में। और हमारे पास ब्लाउजेज भी अवेलेबल है, जिसमें पूरा हार्ट वर्क आएगा और उसमें भी तुम्हें बहुत सारे ऑप्शन देखने को।
Brand Niyara Kids, where you will find some beautiful
wedding collection.
Wedding collection.
This is
girls.
for 6 months.
Yes. So your collection from 6 months to 14 years.
Yes. This is in tissue for 1 year to 2 years.
Wow, very beautiful.
This is for 2 year.
Yes.
We have mix and match also.
Yes.
This is for 3 years.
Yes. Amazing. So these are all the colors available here.
Banarsi on Chandeli.
Banarsi. Yes.
Something in monochrome.
Yes.
Gachi silk.
So this is brand Anagi Jewels, and look at the beautiful wedding collection they have brought this time. This is all 9 to 5 silver jewelry, where you'll find some beautiful minimal rings to some statement pieces if you want. So they have got perfect charms as well, and these are some statement rings. These are the bracelets, and we have got option in Kada as well. Look at this half sleeve neck piece. These are some routine wear studs you need. And look at this. This is real monzonite neck piece, very beautiful. And now come to the statement fusion pieces, perfect for the every occasion. And if you need something in thread, we have got you covered in monzonite, something on Peshwai theme, and something very minimal. So this is brand DC Designer Studio, where you'll find some beautiful 3-piece kurta sets, some vibrant colors. We have got Banarasi dupattas as well, and we have designer blouses with customization. We have got sizes. These are all beautiful color options. Yes.
कलर चाहिए
In Malchanderi.
बनारसी
Yes.
full set.
And this is whole set. of Chaniya Choli. So you can see a glimpse of all the beautiful collection for this wedding season. So this is brand Nabi House of Chinal, and look at the beautiful Banarasi sarees.
Lola silk.
Dola silk.
Color available. Ajrak.
Ajrak, yes.
Maheshwari shell.
Maheshwari. Tissue sarees.
इसमें heavy piece है.
Very beautiful, along with the border.
बांधनी साड़ी.
Yes. And we have got options in kaftans, something on modal silk, their signature pieces.
Pant.
Yes, cord set. Yes. Something in. So this is brand Beyond Trade Theory, and look at the collection they have of dress materials. Their USPs, their dupattas. So you'll find some beautiful dupattas along with 3-piece dress material. Yes, something for black lovers.
Something in tissue.
Yes,
Something in Jamdani dupatta.
yes,
Then something colorful in tissue
yes,
and very soft colors. Then we have something in this kind of work, heavy work. We have something in muslin. We have something in muslin like this.
yes.
The dupatta. Then there are some Banarasi suit.